Alright, storm update. These clouds go all the way around because they're over here too. It's just starting to like form a huge circle and they're moving really fast, and it's been about a 7-degree change in temperature in about 4 minutes. So, yeah, freaky. This is totally going on YouTube. I have never seen anything like it. It kind of reminds me of, in that movie, Independence Day, where like that huge, ship goes, like, covers like a whole city, but this is like clouds. Uber creepy, man. Shit. Thunder, lightning every like 30 seconds. Fuck, those clouds are moving fast. Oh my gosh. Tommy? Tommy? Yeah, they're moving really quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Tommy! Look how much bigger they're getting. It's because they're coming our way. Holy crap, this is like freaking me out right now. I gotta go outside and look at this.